Hi, my name is Tara. I'm a customer service representative at TrainLive.com. I'm excited to explain TrainLive to you in more detail. For almost 25 years, we've been delivering hands-on, instructor-led courses for our students. TrainLive enables us to bring the same high-quality instruction into the online classroom and make that experience available anywhere in the world. TrainLive brings the classroom to you. Hands-on, live instructor-led training from any internet-accessible location. You'll receive real-time remote access to class software and the virtual lab environment. You'll eliminate travel expenses and save the time spent in transit. TrainLive is compatible with PCs, Macs, and mobile devices. The technical requirements to experience TrainLive are fairly modest. First off, you'll need high-speed internet access cable or DSL. Next, you'll need a computer, ideally one with 2 monitors so you can separate your class views and labs. You can also use a laptop or tablet as a second screen, or also just use one big monitor. You can even use your TV. For the best learning experience, your computer should be running Windows XP, Windows 7, or Windows 8 operating systems. Everything else required will be supplied through the TrainLive learning environment. When you register for your TrainLive class, you'll receive an email with all necessary information to access your digital courseware, lab servers, and live instructor presentation. Our TrainLive support team will contact you to test your connection and make sure you have everything you need prior to your class. All TrainLive students will receive a brand new Logitech headset. These high-end USB headsets are compatible with all operating systems and devices. Just plug them in and you're ready to go. So, you've received your headset, have the information to access your digital courseware, lab servers, and live instructor presentation. So now it's time for the class to begin. Let's open the email invitation you received upon registration and then simply click on the link to join Greg's class. It's that easy. Today I'm going to participate in an actual class covering Microsoft Windows Server Administration with TrainLive trainer Greg to show you exactly what your TrainLive experience will be like. All TrainLive instructors have years of training and industry experience, so you'll be learning from one of the best in the field. What you're seeing now is the TrainLive environment. You have the same viewpoints as the students in the class via our high-definition streaming video feed. Seeing your instructor in real time, seeing his or her movements, hand gestures, and mannerisms is a key element in your immersive learning experience. In addition to the instructor video, you'll also see the video feed of any other TrainLive students with their cameras turned on. Other panels include a digital notebook and classroom so you can communicate with your instructor and your classmates. 2 main windows let you focus on the rest of the classroom action. One is a live view of the instructor's screen, including the PowerPoint slideshow and other programs that make up the class. The second window is a live digital transmission of the classroom whiteboard, so you can see what the instructor is writing. Anyone that's been in an expert-led class can appreciate the importance of being able to interact with your instructor and peers. For instance, you want to be able to hear your classmates' questions and have them hear yours with your hi-fi Logitech headset. With the classroom's integrated sound and video, you'll be able to interact with the class just as if you were sitting right there. Let's try it out. All you have to do is unmute your microphone and ask a question just as you would in class. Excuse me, Greg? I have a question. Which versions of the endpoint protection will support Windows 8 and Windows Server 2012?
Excellent question, Tara. Microsoft will be adding support for Windows Server 2012 and Windows 8 in both System Center 2012 Endpoint Protection Service Pack 1 and Forefront Endpoint Protection 2010 with the update rollout. This support and any required updates will be available in the same time frame as System Center 2012 Service Pack 1 in early 2013.
That's how easy it is interacting with your trainer during a TrainLive class. IT training at TrainLive includes real-time access to the software you'll be learning in class, so you can easily perform the same labs as the class students without having to download or install extra files. It's quite simple. Every TrainLive student's connected online to their own dedicated and pre-configured PC right in the classroom. This comes in handy if you get stuck on a lab or you have a question for the instructor, since they can see exactly what you're doing and walk you through the problem just as if you were sitting in the same room. Our goal is to make sure you can put these skills into practice when class time's over. The enhanced virtual labs in a TrainLive environment are a big part of this. Let's see how they work. Greg can see all the screens for the remote students. I just had a question about the lab and he's actually taken control of my screen and showed me the exact technique that I needed to learn. Thanks, Greg. As you can see, we are very proud of our TrainLive technology, and most importantly, the students who've trained with us love it too. Well, that concludes our introduction to TrainLive's learning experience. Contact us today at TrainLive.com for the latest schedules and to learn more. Hope to see you in the class soon.